Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is ClickUp Video not exporting 2026. There can be several common reasons. Large file size or long duration. Very large or lengthy videos may fail to export or take too long. Browser or app issues. Outdated browser, app bugs, or corrupted cache can interrupt the export process. Internet connection problems. Slow or unstable connection can cause the export to fail or stop. Server or processing delays. Temporary backend issues or high traffic can delay video processing. Unsupported format or settings. Incorrect video format, codec, or export configuration can lead to errors. Low device resources. Limited RAM, CPU, or storage space can prevent successful export. Session or permission issues. Expired login sessions or restricted access can interrupt exporting. If the issue continues, try reducing file size, refreshing the page, clearing cache, updating your browser, app, and then export again, or contact ClickUp support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.